I'm from another country. I've lived in many cities in India, and Calcutta, I would say, is one of the safest.
I mean, people stare a lot. They don't do much.
It's very safe because now it's 10:30 and we are cheering enough.
সুরক্ষিত বলাই চলে। এখনো কলকাতা বাইরের শহরের থেকে অনেক সেফ।
একা একটু ডিফিকাল্ট
दिक्कत क्यों नहीं प्रॉब्लम होता
friends, but I do feel a little safe as compared to other cities, to be honest.
2 a.m., 3 a.m. doesn't matter. It's safe.
You are a lady. They are also working at night and talking to random people. Are you getting threatened or not?
It's close to midnight. I'm in Kolkata's iconic Park Street. That is almost always buzzing. But it's also the place where many years ago a brutal rape shocked the nation. The Arjikar incident has put the focus back on the discussions around women's safety in the city. So we asked the residents of Kolkata what steps they think can be taken to make the city safer and better, especially at night. Hi, I'd like to ask you two questions. Do you think Kolkata, especially at night time, is safe?
It's very safe because now it's 10:30 and we are cheering enough.
Do you think there can be any measures taken to make Kolkata safer, especially in the aftermath of Arjikar incident which happened?
Everything cannot be complete. So there should be some precautions taken to make it more safer.
For example?
Police patrolling, women police patrolling, all things.
Security guard and everything.
আজকে এই সময় দাঁড়িয়ে মানে এই যে যুগে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি সেখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আপাতত পুলিশের যা মানে সুরক্ষা আছে তাই জন্য আজকাল রাতের কলকাতাটা খুবই সুরক্ষিত বলাই চলে।
I mean, people stare a lot. They don't do much, I guess. So it's not like intimidating like Delhi, as in where people can actually do something. The potential of doing is less here. But after that RG car incident, I don't know actually anymore. But they stare a lot and they stare you down. But if you stare back and say, what's up? Then they generally fizzle away.
Do you think nighttime Kolkata is safe?
Yes, I think Kolkata is pretty safe. Yeah, you can see ladies are roaming in the restaurant. They are pretty safe. You are a lady, right? You are also working at night in the street and talking to random people. Are you getting threatened or not? So people are more liberal and open-minded here. But yeah, there are always flaws that needs to be taken care of.
Bengali women are perceived to be progressive, but then you also have the locals who stare you down like they've never seen a girl before.
हम लोग को कोई चीज़ का डर पर नहीं है हम लोग जैसे रहते हैं वैसे हम लोग को सब भैया बाबू लोग चिनते हैं
এক দিদি চাকরি করতো মানে পড়াশোনা করেছে আর ডাক্তার ছিল তখনও বলেছে হাসপাতালগুলো এত বৃহৎ আর এত বড় রাতে অত্যন্ত খালি থাকে তার জন্য অবশ্যই ওটা মানে ওটাকে মেয়েদের জন্য বিশেষ করে হাসপাতালগুলো যেগুলো গভর্নমেন্ট হাসপাতাল সেগুলো প্রকাণ্ড বড় সেগুলোতে একটা ওয়ার্ড থেকে আরেকটা ওয়ার্ডে যেতে হলে যে পথটা দিয়ে যেতে হয় সেগুলোর জন্য সেফটিটা অনেক বাড়ানো উচিত।
Well, I think it is unsafe for women and even for gay people or people from the LGBTQ community. Sometimes it is. Depends on area to area. I might feel a little bit safer in areas like Baliganj and near my own house. But I think some areas don't really feel that safe. But it depends. And I would always want to be around my friends. But I do feel a little safe as compared to other cities, to be honest. Stay in a group regardless because it feels more safe to be around. Because I have been in situations where like I feel that people are staring and saying things, so I want to be around people. I think if there is better justice for people who go through severe bullying, if there are stricter rules for the people, then I'm sure people will be scared to even commit such crimes against women, against us, right? Like I'm generally there should be more women cops, there should be more cameras or more surveillance on these things.
What will make it safer would be 100% like women cops around, because I think it would always be nice to see a person in uniform who's a female.
From one hotspot to another, we're now in Bhawanipur where all of Kolkata comes to eat past midnight. But it is also the hottest seat this election season because we will see a high voltage fight between Chief Minister and TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee and BJP Shubhendu Adhikari, who is also the leader of opposition in the outgoing assembly. Hi, hello. Hi. How safe is nighttime Kolkata?
I think it's really safe. Actually, I'm from another country. I've lived in many cities in India, and Calcutta, I would say, is one of the safest. I've never really felt unsafe walking in the day or at night over here. So I think it's quite safe.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rank Kolkata in terms of safety?
In comparison to, that's the question. So in comparison to other cities in India, for example, I'm going to take some names like Jaipur, Delhi, of course, even to an extent Mumbai and Bangalore, I would say that Calcutta ranks probably around like 8 to 9 versus Jaipur and Delhi, of course, are under 5, and Bangalore and Mumbai, I would say around like 6, 7.
No, nothing's wrong. Like we
Kolkata
roam
is safe.
around here at night, even 2 a.m., 3 a.m. doesn't matter. It's safe actually.
Anything else can be done?
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए कि ऐसा कुछ भी केस हो ना कि इतना खतरनाक, मतलब इनको सजा मिलना चाहिए ताकि लोग डरे, मतलब ये सब करना मतलब सोच भी ना सके.
মেয়েদের জন্য সেফ, তবে একা একা একটু ডিফিকাল্ট রাতের বেলা কেউ সাথে থাকলে আমি মনে করি সেফ। समटाइम्स ये हम लोग डरते हैं बट अभी सेफ फील कर रहे हैं घर। अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं फील हो रहा है कि हाँ कुछ हम घर से आधी रात को निकले हैं तो कुछ वैसा हमें महसूस नहीं हो रहा, हम सेफ फील कर रहे हैं।
While many residents say Kolkata is safe at night, at least safer than many other Indian cities, but it doesn't take away from the fact that there have been several instances of crimes against women reported in recent times. So the big question remains, what steps can be taken further for a safer and better tomorrow?